I have searched through many waters, tasted love that didn't last. Promises like fading shadows, built on sand they couldn't stand. You loved me when I was broken, held me close in all my flaws. You saw the worst inside of me, still you chose me, Lord. When I was weak, you stayed. When I ran far away, your mercy found me again. Let me love like yours, Jesus, patient and kind, no selfish desire. Teach me to stay when it's hard, teach me to forgive from the heart. Love like yours, Jesus, steady and true, even through fire. If I will ever love someone, let me love like yours. No gendara ifumenya. When I fell, you still love me. I may be quirky, you never broke your promise. Even when I know they're worthy, you still call me your own. This kind of love no be ordinary. Now heaven he come from. When I mess up, you know leave. Your grace still they carry me. Now your love they set me free. Break my pride, make me humble, remove the fear inside. If love must cost me something,